Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon and potatoes in the oven. We'll start by selecting the freshest ingredients, ensuring a delightful foundation for your meal. Then, I'll guide you through preparing and seasoning both the salmon and potatoes to maximize their natural flavors. Finally, we'll cover the precise cooking steps, guaranteeing a perfectly roasted dish that's both healthy and incredibly satisfying. Get ready to create a fantastic meal with ease. For preparation, begin by gently patting your salmon fillets completely dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a lovely, crisp skin. Next, wash and cut your potatoes into uniform 1-inch pieces, ensuring they cook evenly. Toss these potato pieces with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a half teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Remember to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit before you start cooking. Now, let's season the salmon. Drizzle each fillet with a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, then sprinkle with a half teaspoon of dried dill, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. Arrange both the seasoned salmon and potatoes on a single baking sheet, ensuring they are in a single layer without overcrowding. Roast in your preheated oven for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, until the salmon flakes easily and the potatoes are tender and lightly golden. To ensure your meal is perfectly cooked, check that the salmon's internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. The potatoes should be wonderfully fork tender with a slight caramelization on their edges. Once cooked, carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven. For an extra touch of freshness, garnish your dish with some chopped fresh parsley or a bright lemon wedge. Serve this delicious and healthy meal immediately to enjoy its optimal flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.